mean, like a lot of other foreign observers in Ireland, I've watched the opinion polls. We have a very good relationship with this government. I mean, the government-to-government relationship between Dublin and London is excellent, and Mr. Cameron's relationship with the Taoiseach is excellent. So we are a concerned party with our nearest neighbour having a general election, and we hope who's ever in the government after the election will want to work with us equally as closely as the present government does. And we see what the opinion polls say, but we have no other inside information than that.
Yeah, I suppose people would be interested in sort of what your view would be of a Sinn Féin-led government if that prospect were to come to pass.
Well, I mean, I think our fundamental view is that the democratic rules of the game are what needs to happen, as will happen in Ireland, and the government that gets formed will be a reflection of the way people have voted, and we will deal with the government, whichever colour, flavour it is, after the election.
So Sinn Féin is not a problem?
Well, I would hope that, as we do in Northern Ireland, where Sinn Féin is in government, we would work with who's ever in government down here.
Okay.
And we'd hope to have the same productive, friendly relationship with whoever that was.